born in real life, you know. Me say Jordan say I link with him enemy them. I don't know. Remember me I mix up with my side triple. My side use the triple and side of the pussy. Princess Snake can't be a money go Princess Snake.
You can't go mute out the man when you fuck out your hole, eh?
Princess Snake
can't. Just walk and fuck so every blood clot there. Go mute out your pussy,
can't be a money go Princess
Come off
Snake.
from my bumbo clot live and go sew up your pussy. Use an eagle and thread and stitch up your whole part. Suck
my
with girl.
side triple use the
Come off from my blood clot live. All who know where I live go suck with the mama. Team make sure.
My side use the triple now. Zuma, why you don't be yourself? Carol, when I come suck my Carol. Carol, when I come suck with that blood clot meat, when I come suck with that straw, when I climb on two, they come suck me with the cocky, old pussy Carol, stinky old Carol. Why you tell me the slime mouth stink for? Why you tell me the slime mouth stink? Go suck your body if you get this slime. If you get this slime, go suck your body. Get that slime mouth stink over here, so. If you make a day, I'm going to this, go suck on the mama.
Friend, you look slow.
Walk, Roman flavor, come.
Zuma, you.
Chewing at the Roman flavor, suck your mother Roman flavor.
Zuma.
Wow.
All of them mix up here, you can't get 100 pounds.
No, man, share my life, dog. Share my life to me give to him. Suck your mother Zuma. Brianna, you have people, got bite out your mother, Brianna, go suck out your mother. Suck your mother, what a black ya. And now stop black and sweet in a pussy clot. I don't mean nothing. Why? Carol is an old man over here that rate home. I tell the old people them don't come over here. Cause I be a mix up and bad with dash over here. So I tell if you want and still I come. No, I understand.
You fall off pussy, man, come out for your life. Suck your mother, boy.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Look what, man.
Yeah, man, I'm fall off. I said, Jaden fuck you and throw you out. Jaden fuck and come for you for it and dash you out after. Go suck your mother. Jaden fuck out the whole head side. Batty boy. Suck your mother. Jaden tell you sleep on him gong. Jaden tell you step over you. I'm tired here now. Him don't want to tell me, I tell you, Jaden tired of you. Him want you left him house. Suck your mother. Suck your mother. Omar Palmer, me fall out, but you never on yet. Suck your mother with the 100 followers. Kareem Bryan go suck. Don't do that. Don't do that. How this? Don't do that. Don't do this. Axe. Kareem Bryan go suck your mother. What a black you too. Suck your mother. I can dash black over there. Come users. Come on, go on. Unknown fake page. Yeah, you can't stay. You have to go with the 0 followers. Suck your mother and black. You have to go. Who next? Push up. Come on, good afternoon. You fall off it. Yeah, me know, thanks. Clean constructor. I'm a farmer, cocky your mother mouth, your mother suck wood. Your mother suck wood through gloves. Come on, go on. Message me. Message you the price, bro. Come. My side, pour tap. Good pussy, come. Tight, all come, right, all come. Clean pussy, come. Level up. Level 28 again now, mama. Come, I play an official match next week, Thursday. DJ got him, I appreciate it. DJ got him, I appreciate it. Can give me a 12K, man. Bad boy, can give me a 12K, man. Because the jingles, when you have bad jingles in a bro. Me must say, I'm trying you to the bad man. Land the wall, man, say, port up live and shoot live the chat. But when me say still, man, never stop bad man and each other, dog. Because the whole way I want, dog, and keep big for every man. You understand to me? You know, make no sense.
I'm gonna there.
Wagwan, where you did with?
I'm not there with no Wagwan Zuma. Zuma, you not stop you mix up.
I'm stop mix up and I mix up, bill me. Me eat, sleep, drink, mix up, sleep and mix up. I show my badge logo, okay? I show my badge logo.
Cross the Zuma to vote and mix up, bill him.
You know?
Lady Rock, good day, RG. And what you show me say?
My badge logo, me I show you.
So you show me.
Read.
He said sit down at a mix up. Me not see first part.
Team mix up. Mix up.
Yeah. Team mix up.
I mix up a chat over here. I'm going to participate for my official match next week, Thursday. Yeah. So you can't come to about stop talk about mix up. You understand to me, Kitty?
So what the new mix up then?
The new mix up by Jaden, Fox, Slyme and Tremont.
What? No, but so.
No. It's a sneaking mix up to you know. I don't see me bro in mind, you're sneaking. Lord God.
What?
I don't think with me, my bro in mind mix up or you're sneaking with it.
Me no mix up.
Zoumalarm just say you can't go lifetime. Empress, sorry. Tell Roger say. Tell Roger says I'm out him living now. Every day I'm go live anytime, any hours. And big pussies always so cocky, so we bring a message there. Climb on two quick and come suck kitty. Come suck on kitty fat tight hole. Should be tongue on a kitty pussy and suck her out. After you don't see a period.
Come
Kitty
play
skin
one
out.
Zuma cause you too
Girl,
hot.
come suck your skin out.
Guys, you know beat Zuma making go on here, do.
I say top side rose shot.
Top and stop up your screen chat. Share to live chat. Share to live and tap up your screen chat.
Mad.
Come on chat. Share to live chat. Share
If you
to
win, me
live.
deactivate my TikTok page. I say top side rose.
Them put nobody done it, man. No, you don't know to
I say top side rose shot. I say come on
chat. Everybody power tap.
If you win a match, I'm deactivate my TikTok page.
If me win the match, you deactivate your page.
Come on for this. Empress Walk
Guys,
on.
wanna make me win. Wanna make me win in the chat. Make me win. I'm making deactivating page. Guys, wanna make me win. I'm making deactivating page. Make me win. I'm making deactivating page into mix up on the app.
Yeah, Slyme, I'm a bro. Make Slyme chat me. Slyme, I'm a bro. Make him chat me. I'm a co-worker them. I'm a bro them. Leave me and them. Go suck out the moment I comment section. Come suck out Kitty.
For how long you deactivate the page for?
For the whole semester.
Don't bother with it, because you're not going to do that. Just tell me and be honest. I'll give me a play, you know?
Alright, listen. Crocodile, why? If you win me come off of the app.
Alright. If me win him come off of the app. Alright.
Yeah, I fall off and what? Yeah, I fall off. From a big page guy, I fall off. Yeah. But take my fall off, yeah. Me fall off, yeah. I'm glad to fall off.
Guys, 4 person, 1 roast chat. 4 person, 1 roast.
4 person, 1 roast chat. 4 person,
Come on,
1
chat.
roast.
Everybody send a roast chat. Everybody send a roast. 3 more roses chat. 3 different person with a rose. 3 different person chat. 2 different. 1 more. 1 more person chat. 1 more person.
Come on, Master, 1 more rose.
Clark can get a rose, guys. 1 more person with a rose chat.
Tanya Maria, what go on?
Come on, no chat. 1 more person with a rose. Send a rose, nothing in a chat.
Master, somebody send a rose, please.
Send a rose, no chat. A triple, no.
Guys, I big up yourself.
Guys, no send up a rose, no chat.
Guys, man, use the chip on bro. Man, say use the chip on. I look good ladies, them. Use the chip on. I'm bang a dog them. Just here. My side, triple. My side, size are up on the triple. My side, triple. My side, buy 1, get 2 free by the triple chat. My side, shoot on the triple chat. My side, use the triple chat. Boom, my side, use the triple. My side, shoot on the triple chat. You must be if you don't know how to talk to people. All right, Carol, come. You can't hold on my career, Carol, come. You know for the ass black. My side, use triple chat. My side, triple use it. Empress, thank you. My side, when I have money gun by the triple chat. When I'm a clean old pump, when I'm a clean pussy girl, they can't say my money gun. My side, come on, one bang dog them. You're a dog. My side, triple. My side, use the triple chat. Chat, we need a money gun chat. Empress, thank you so much. Chat, we need a chain, we need a choo. Chat, we need a chaka choo. We don't have no pussy in my side. Somebody slide triple in the chat. My side triple. My side triple. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Get your size you up.
You have to go left this bomb clad place, yeah.
So my side, you know, I'm come over TikTok. Me ask you a question. How much people over here?
You're too blood clot
people
mix
over
up.
here. You know, I'm come over TikTok.
You're too mix up. You have to go calm down now.
My side, somebody snipe, please. Somebody snipe, please. Somebody snipe, please. All right, you say you're going to the being a suck your mother, Tamika. Suck your mother. No, beat man. My side, top side rose chat. Come on, top chat.
Yes, come chat. We have to put.
Chat focus. And I'm not friendly no. I'm telling this straight. Only people over here are ungrateful. I see him out yes, I see him out I say no tomorrow.
We know.
When they can't cheat me. Me used to views. When they cannot me, only cheat me. And I told you I had me there so I don't know. A cheap page we go through. My big page, it gone, 60K followers, it gone. My next page got 22,000 followers, it gone. And my third page is. So all of it cheat me, use the views. My big page, we have 1 million views. Me have watching views. Me use to one people in life. And you can't cheat me. On an ungrateful slug. If you can't phone me and cheat me, hype me up. And then you bury me after. Suck me. Me so not hype up enough and bury them after. Can't phone me. No. My side shoot, my side snipe.
My side focus, and don't make it snipe. My side even
snipe,
if it's that money gunner and not snipe with a money gunner and not chat, don't make it snipe, you know. Cause I have to come down right now if I live, you know. Black off your life completely for your side here in the chat. Alright. Alright, go on now, Zuma. Come on fire up. Come on fire up now, no.
Come on, man. That's 3 match for him, man.
Which 3 match? Which 3 match? One match you said